Guys, welcome back. It's Dave from Classic Cars Connection YouTube channel. Hey, I'm here at a car show and I found this 1969 Mustang. Hey, it's gorgeous. The paint on this thing is amazing. The paint is really gorgeous. It's a beautiful burgundy color. I wanted you to see that. It shines very nicely and shows wonderfully, and it shows better in person than it probably shows on this video. The car is just amazing. I saved it for one of the last videos that I was making today when I could find the car without a bunch of people around it. Right now they're handing out the awards over there for the car show, and that means that nobody will be around this car and I can get a good video. Hey, if this is your first time here at Classic Cars Connection YouTube channel with me, Dave, your host, please subscribe, like, click the notifications, and share these videos. It would be appreciated very much. Guys, if you are returning and you are already a subscriber, thank you. Thank you very much. It's a beautiful day here. I won't bore you with the details. You can see what I've got here, what I'm working with. I don't want to open the door of this car and look inside, so I won't. But I will give you a sweet little look at this ticket that's in here. The car is in the show. I hope it wins. And it is girl owned. They just gave her an award. Nice, just got an award. Just got an award for this car. Okay, that's it, guys. You know what to do. Subscribe, like, click the notifications, share, comment. Thank you.